For the dumbbell pullovers, we are going to need a dumbbell, and then we are going to need a bench ideally, or some sort of flat surface, maybe a box that's going to be the right height for your body to stay parallel to the ground. Okay, so there's two ways that we can grip this dumbbell for the movement. We can either make a diamond with our hands and grab onto the head of the dumbbell like that. This method typically works well for people who have decent shoulder mobility or somebody who's really working to increase their shoulder mobility. If you have poor mobility or weak shoulders, pain in your shoulders, it might be better to grab the outside ends of the dumbbell right here. Now, you want to start off light on this movement. This isn't meant to be a strength movement. It's a little bit more of a mobility movement. So start off light, and then eventually you can get stronger in this position. So as we get laid down on the bench, our head is going to be gently hanging off the edge of the bench. Our abs are going to be nice and tight. We're pushing that lower back down towards the bench. We're going to get that dumbbell up in the grip above our head. And then with a slight elbow bend, we're just going to let gravity take hold and pull this dumbbell down back behind our head. Once we get a good stretch here in the lats out on the outside, we're going to pull it right back up, okay? It's not a violent movement. We're just getting a good stretch and then coming right back up. The key to this movement is keeping the abs nice and tight and forcing the lower back to stay close to in contact with the bench. If you don't do that, you're going to end up arching the back, and then you're eliminating that stretch effect that you're supposed to be getting in the lats. So really focus on that. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the dumbbell pullovers. If you're curious about other movements, go ahead and check out my page, or if you have specific questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks.